Hello guys and welcome back to the Java tutorial. Today I will be discussing about relational operator. Now Java provides us these relational operators. The first one is less than, and then it is greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, this is equal to, and the last one is not equal to. Now these are used in this way. Less than, we can write a less than b. Greater than, we can write a greater than b. A less than or equal to b, a greater than or equal to b, a equal to b, and a not equal to b. In this way these are used. Now these can give only two outputs, either true or false. So let's take an example. If a is 10 and b is 20, then a less than b is true, a greater than b is false, a less than or equal to b is true. Here less than or equal to, what does it check? It checks, first of all it checks whether a is less than b or not. If a is less than b, then it is true. If a is not less than b, then it will check whether a and b are same or not. If a and b are same, then it is true, or else it will give it false. But in case of a less than b, it only checks whether a and b are smaller or not, a is smaller than b or not. Same is the case for a greater than equal to b. It first checks greater. If greater becomes false, then it will check that whether both are same or not. So here a greater than b, greater than equal to b is also false. A equal to b. Equal to b, what does it checks? It checks whether both are same. So here both are not same, that's why it is false. And in case of a not equal to b, it checks whether both are different. So here, yes, they both are different, a is given 10 and b is 20, so that's why it also becomes true. Now let's take another example. Here a is 20 and b is 10. So a less than b is false, greater than b is true. A less than equal to b is false, greater than equal to b is true, because it is greater than. A equal to b is false, but a not equals to b is true, because they both are different. Now let's take the another example where both we have written same, a is 20 and b is 20. So less than b is false, greater than b is also false, but less than equal to b is true. Here first of all it will check whether less than b is true or not. So here less than b is false, then it will check whether both are same or not, and yes, they both are same, that's why it gave output as true. Same is for greater than equal to b. First it checked whether both a is greater than b or not. So here a is not greater than b. So again it checked whether a and b are same or not. So here a and b are same, that's why it gave true. A equal to b is also true because both are same, and a not equal to b is false because both are not different. So this is all about relational operators. Next topic will be logical operators.